I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing both accounts, so open Gmail and Facebook in separate tabs and sign in. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled to avoid lockouts during linking. Next, decide why you're connecting, importing contacts, using Gmail for password recovery, or updating login info. The first actionable step is to go to Facebook settings, then choose Contact and Accounts or Login and Security depending on the layout. Do this now so you can proceed without interruptions. You'll now authorize the connection. On Facebook, select Add Email or Import Contacts, then choose Google/Gmail as the provider. Facebook opens an OAuth consent screen. Read the permission scopes carefully and uncheck anything unnecessary because this controls what Facebook can access. When you grant permission, Facebook receives a token to pull data like contacts or verify your email. Make sure to select the correct Gmail account if you manage multiple addresses. Once authenticated, wait for confirmation. Finish by confirming Gmail on Facebook. Open the confirmation email Gmail sends and click the verification link so Facebook marks the address as confirmed. Then clean up, remove outdated email addresses in Facebook, and if you granted broad access, go to your Google account security page and revoke specific app permissions you don't want. If something goes wrong, clear browser cookies, use an incognito window, and retry the OAuth flow. Alternatively, remove the Gmail link on Facebook and add it again to force a fresh authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.